This is what happens in Jamaica when there is a police station 2 centimeters away from a robbery and they come out 5 hours later and they block off the whole road. Look at them. No, serve no purpose. This is a blast.
One of Jamaica's most wanted shot and killed in St. Thomas. 2 dead, 12 injured after vehicles overturned on Winston Jones Highway. Government targets $635 million spent from traffic tickets fines. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A man said to be on the most wanted list was shot and killed during an operation in St. Thomas on Monday. The deceased has been identified as Dwayne Logan, otherwise called Looty. Reports are that at about 7 p.m., police were in Morant Bay when Logan was fatally shot during a reported shootout. The police stated one firearm was recovered. Law enforcement officers stated that Logan was wanted for multiple murders, including that of District Constable Mark Forsyth. Reports are that on Monday, February 13, at about 3:10 p.m., Forsyth received a call from residents that strange men were seen in a lane off York Main Road. The police went to investigate and was shot and killed. The government is betting on traffic fines to help it finance up to $635 million in spending across the Ministries of Justice and National Security during the upcoming fiscal year. More details to come as the story unfolds. The Manchester police have confirmed the deaths of 2 people and the hospitalization of 12 others following a vehicular crash along the Winston Jones Highway in the parish on Tuesday night. According to preliminary reports, approximately 9 p.m., 2 public passenger vehicles were traveling along the highway when the vehicles got out of control and overturned. There is no information yet on what caused the drivers to lose control. One of the deceased has so far been identified as a porter at the Mandeville Regional Hospital. At least one of the injured persons is said to be in critical condition.